Hello, this is Yiheng.Yue of B-Fi Technologies, and I'm at the IoT World and AI Summit exhibition in Santa Clara, California. I'm very happy to introduce you to B-Fi solution based on the in-play low latency, low power, Bluetooth low energy chipsets. So the first thing I will go through is the components of the system. Down here you can see we have boards that are actually implementing beacon tags, and the signals from the beacon tags are received by the gateway above my head, and in the gateway we have implemented the angle of arrival location calculation algorithms, which can accurately locate these beacon tags within 1 meter range. Now also on these beacon tags, you have the option of doing customized sensing. So on these tags today, we actually have integrated temperature sensing, which I will show later. So basically we can have location-based environmental capturing of the data by the same gateway at the same time. And finally, I have 50 of these what we call sense and control two-way Bluetooth solution. Now, what's special about this solution is our network within a single gateway can support up to 1,000 of these nodes. As you may know, standard BLE, it's very difficult to have high number of nodes above 20 or so. But in our system, with a proprietary protocol, we can go far beyond that. We can go to almost 1,000 of these nodes. And later on, I will show you the two-way communication of these by turning on and off the lights here. Okay? And then the whole system is going through the gateway connected to a server. And the server, we have used the server to develop some kind of a UI. And here what I'm showing is actually the location tracking of the tags that are on that board. So these ones over here you can see are the real-time tracking of the tags that are on the board. Okay, so they are about 1 meter away from the gateway. Okay, and I'm going to take actually one of these guys off, and I'm going to move around, and you can see that one tag is moving out. I'm just going to move around, and you can see the tag moving around within our cubicle here. Now I'm going to put it back. All right, and then the next thing I want to show is the two-way control. So we also have an interface for that. You can see 50 of the lights over here, and I can change all of them from white to blue. And you see the color has changed to blue. Now I'm going to do it again by changing them back to the white. So you can see the speed at which these things change. Now I can also individually control any one of these. So for example, I change this one to purple, and I can change another one to yellow. So you can do the control in a group fashion, or you can do individual, and the latency is very small. The next thing I want to show is sensing. So we also have an interface for that, and you can see this particular one right now is sensing 23.19 degrees Celsius. There are 3 of these guys, and I'm going to put my finger on one of them. So I put it on T1, and you will see T1's temperature going up. So what this does is we can have location-based data collection. So these tags can actually have their location being tracked, simultaneously collecting the environmental information. Now finally, the gateway also supports cloud connection. So here is actually the information that are being updated to AWS IoT. Now we beacon every 10 seconds. So the next time you can see it change up to 17 seconds. And then the next one should come at about 15:49:27. It just updated again. So we again get all the temperature information within the user data content in hex. It just updated again. And similarly, we also have Azure support, Microsoft Azure support. So here you will see it will update when the next beacon after 10 seconds come up. So it should be around 38. Actually this one I need to restart. I think this is because of the Azure